Welcome, this is Engineer Chase, and for today we're going to talk about the binomial expansion using Pascal's triangle. So here, as you can see here, parang komplikadong tignan si triangle. Pero madali lang siyang matandaan if you know the two patterns. The first pattern is that it always starts with 1, and then it ends with 1. The second pattern is that meron mga spaces between two numbers. Those spaces between two numbers, we're going to add the two numbers so that we will get the corresponding number below. So here 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Here naman 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Here naman 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. It starts with 1, it ends with 1. And here naman, ito yung mga corresponding equivalent expressions ng bawat values sa binomial expansion. And kung mapapansin nyo, habang pahaba ng pahaba yung Pascal's triangle, pataas ng pataas yung kanyang mga exponents. We only use Pascal's triangle kapag mababa lang yung exponent natin, tulad nito. Pero kapag mataas na yung mga exponent natin, doon na papasok si binomial theorem. Pwede mo naman gamitin si Pascal's triangle sa bigger exponent, kaso matatagalan ka kasi gagawa ka pa ng triangle. So it is recommended that we use Pascal's triangle sa mga mabababa lang yung kanilang mga exponent. You don't need to memorize it, you just need to understand the Pascal's triangle. To further understand the binomial expansion using Pascal's triangle, we have an examples here. So first, we're going to expand the expression of x plus y raised to 5 using Pascal's triangle. And we know that this expression is located here. Then first, we're going to identify the number of terms that we will be using in the expression. The formula is NOT, or number of expression, is equals to exponent, or n plus 1. We know that our exponent is 5, therefore n is equals to 5. Then substitute 5 plus 1, therefore we will be using 6 terms here. Then we're going to expand this expression na. So here, x raised to 5 plus 5x raised to 4 y plus 10x raised to 3 y squared plus 10x raised to 2 y cubed plus 5x raised to 1, pero hindi ko nasusulat, y raised to 4 plus y raised to 5. Kung mapapansin nyo, parang complicated siya kung titignan kung paano natin siya in-expand, pero may mga patterns din dito tayong titignan. So here, focus tayo kay x. Habang papunta tayo sa right, ang nangyayari kay x is that bumababa or bumabawas yung kanyang exponent hanggang naging 1 siya dito, and here nawala na si x. Ganun din kay y. From nothing y here, nagkaroon siya ng y, dumagdag, hanggang naging 5. So therefore, ang terms natin dito kanina is 6. So bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, tama yung ginawa natin na pag-expand ng expression. So next, kung mapapansin nyo, meron ditong mga numbers. Dito natin nagamit si Pascal's triangle. Kasi itong mga numbers nito is mga coefficients. Therefore, kung titignan nyo, yung 1 ito. 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. For the next example, we have 2x minus y raised to 4. And we know that it is located here at the fifth row of the Pascal's triangle. And first, let us identify the number of terms that we will be using here. NOT is equals to n plus 1. We know that our exponent is 4, therefore n is equals 4. Then substitute 4 plus 1 equals 5 terms. We're going to use 5 terms here. So let us expand it. So 2x raised to 4 plus 4 2x raised to 3 negative y plus 6 2x raised to 2 negative y raised to 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2x negative y raised to 3 plus negative y raised to 4. So we're going to further simplify it. So 2x raised to 4 is equals to 16x raised to 4 minus 32 x cubed y plus 24 x squared y minus 8x y cubed plus y raised to 4. So kung nagtataka kayo bakit negative to mga to, kasi ang nangyari is that positive times negative is always negative. Then here naman, here, negative y times negative y times negative y, negative times negative, positive, positive times negative is negative. So therefore, negative y. So therefore, naging negative 8x cubed siya. And another pattern here is that kapag even number yung exponent ng negative value mo, ang mangyayari is that magiging positive siya. Like here, ito siya. So, positive siya. Ito rin, even, positive. Kapag odd number naman, magiging negative siya. Here, odd number siya, yung negative mo, therefore, negative din yung value mo. Tapos, here naman, negative din yung, I mean, odd number din siya, tapos negative siya. So, therefore, negative din yung magiging value dito. So, nagamit si Pascal's triangle dito, na-apply siya, ito yung mga yun. 4, 4, 1, 1, 6, 4, 1. So, ganun lang ginagamit si Pascal's triangle. If you understand this topic, please do consider to subscribe, and you can freely use the chat box below if you have any questions. Bye!